Okay, in this last video I'm going to show you how to use Preview. You'll usually open it in if you have a Mac, but I'll show you how to do that, and there are actually some better options on Preview. If you have it, you might want to use it. Okay, so we're going to go back to this original file that we made 2 videos ago, making the PDF from the slide, from the PowerPoint slides. So I'm going to now open this. Since my computer is set to default opening in Adobe, I want it to open in Preview this time. So I'm going to open with Preview. Okay, so now we've got our original PDF file with nothing on it. Okay, so we can also edit the PDF in Preview. So the way we do that, we have our toolbar up here. To get the editing toolbar, we just click on the little pencil icon, which is, I guess they're calling the annotations toolbar. We've got several different options here. I'm just going to show you a few. You can kind of play around with it. One thing you can do is highlight, just like in Adobe. So you can select your highlight. You can even select different highlight colors. So I'm going to highlight in orange this time. Okay, so I want to just select some text, and now it's highlighted for me. Whatever I want to highlight, same thing as we did in Adobe. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to add some text. So just like we did sticky notes in Adobe, in Preview, you can add text boxes. So if you select the text box, there are actually a few different options. You can just do a text box, you can do a speech bubble or a thought bubble, however you want. So I'm just going to do text box for now. So you can add, wherever you click, we'll add a text box. So I'm just going to click down here, and it's got a really big font. So what I'm going to do is change the font size. So you can click over here on the font icon, and it'll show you the different font sizes. So you have to actually get rid of that and start a new text box once you select. So I want font size 13. Oh, it goes straight to 36. Okay, there we go. So now it's selected on font size 14. And then whatever font I have, I've got it set at handwriting. So you have to select the font size and type before you type the text box, before you add wherever you want to add the text box. But as soon as you have that set, I believe it just goes to your whatever default that you have, or whatever you had from last time. I think it does that. So I can just add notes wherever I want. So whatever information I want to add, I can add wherever I want. So anywhere on the slide, you can just type. And it's really pretty quick. You just click and type wherever you want. So this is a nice option. Another thing you can do is you can draw circles or lines or arrows. So I'm going to draw an arrow here. Maybe I want to draw a circle around something in the slide. So there's lots of different options in Preview for what you can do on the slides. Okay, so those are just a few things. You can kind of play around with those yourself and see what you like. And so then we can just go up to File, and then I'm going to save a version of this. See. Did it save it? Let's see if it saved it. I haven't tested the save option. Let's see if it saved our changes here. Yes, it did. So when I said, whoops. So when I said to save a version, then it just saved on top of my old version. Okay, so then all of our notes are saved, and you can just edit away and do whatever you need to. So this is a really good option for taking notes in class, and it's very quick, and it follows straight along, and you don't really have to do a whole lot of messing around with different commands.